In this video, I want to show you how to extract raster value to points in ArcGIS Pro. The extract raster value to points operation in GIS is a crucial tool for analyzing spatial data, as it helps to retrieve specific raster value at designated point locations, which allow users to associate continuous data such as elevation or temperature with specific geographic coordinates. This is very useful in environmental studies and urban planning, even in resource management, as it enables detailed analysis of how raster data impact point feature. So, for example, I have these point features and I have raster underneath it. This is my raster value across my study area, which is a variation of continuous data over a location. Now, I have this point overlay on top of this raster. If I want to extract the raster value on this point, how to do that in ArcGIS Pro? Now, to do that, come to Analysis, then click on Tools. When you click on Tools, it will open the Geoprocessing window. Here, search for Extract Points. So when you type that, it will bring this option, Extract Values to Points. It's under Spatial Analysis tool. So click to open it. When it's open, under Parameters, the input point feature will be our point, which in this case is our town. Then I'll click here and choose the point feature. Then here you input the raster value. For instance, the raster value ranges between 100 to 376. So, and I want to know the raster value at each point location. So I will input here the raster, in this case this one. Then the output point feature, give it appropriate name as deemed fit. Then click on Run. This will run and extract value at each point. It has been extracted. Then if you right click the name point, right click and open the attributes table. Yes, you can see it. This is the raster value at each point. It has been extracted. If I scroll down, you can see it. At each point, the raster value has been extracted to the attributes table of the point. So in essence, this is how to extract raster value to points in ArcGIS Pro. And from here, you can use it for further analysis and even correlations if need be, correlation with another value. So this is how to extract raster value to points in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.